Nature is our greatest treasure. The way the sunlight filters through the trees, the sound of birds chirping in the morning, and the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. It's all so breathtakingly beautiful. Being in nature reminds me of the world's vastness and our place within it. It's a source of peace, inspiration, and rejuvenation. We must cherish and protect it for future generations.
Keep that like button if you love this video, and subscribe Nature Savvy for more historical mysteries and natural and AI videos. Thank you.